Welcome back, fellow Scrubs. This is Mark D. Wiz, and we got chickens crowing in the background, dog barking, everything going on while I'm trying to go live here. Hopefully they calm down a little bit. You probably gonna hear it. We got the windows open because it's nice and warm now. But with that comes all the noises that the outdoors can provide. But anyway, so it's Pocket Fighter EX Monday. This is a community-based game. There's one. There he is. I'm sure you heard that. Community-based game, non-profit, not affiliated with Capcom or SNK. Just by fans, for fans. Have to get that out of the way. So, what have we done since last time? Actually, more than I thought I'd get done. So we've got, if you look at the, oh, hold on, I forgot my spot. I knew I was forgetting something. It's been a heck of a day, alright? it's been a heck of a day. Like I mentioned last time about moving the push box down to make, like, cross-ups and stuff more reliable. And just hit a bit more consistently and everything feels a little bit better. So I did that for all of the animations. You notice that it doesn't transform back to the taller one now during attacks. So that all reuse animations have been adjusted for these new push boxes. Every move. So some didn't need too much adjustment, like the air boxes were already pretty good. They were designed to do what they needed to do. What was I trying to do? Super there? Not enough meter for that. Well, that sucked. But as you can see, everything is all set. All the... Oh, I tried to do Shin Shoryuken. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work unless you get 3 bars. Alright, well, I'll keep screwing that up. I don't know what, maybe I'm thinking I'm playing a different game. Anyway, so, point is, Ryu's all set, and by extension, it was a little easier to get Ken up and running, because he does share some of the same hitboxes and animations, or at least enough similarities to copy over and adjust from there. But same thing. Actually, that's wrong. I wonder if I never fixed that from the first time that I went and redid the push boxes. See how thin that one is? Compared to his crouched one. Alright, well, we have to fix that. Wait, hold on a second. That one didn't look right. Yep. Yeah, those ones are wrong too. And so are those ones. I thought I fixed those. Okay, so we've got... Oh, hell, we'll just dig right into it. We've got Ken. So his special kick heavy target combo version apparently is not the same. So let's copy. Paste boxes only. Just to get the labels back, we'll make an edit. It doesn't refill the labels until after. So, alright. Yep, and that's fixed now. You know what it is, I bet? Because, the extension version of that, you see, has the taller hitboxes, but this one doesn't. I bet it's when I copied them, it didn't save those for some reason. Thought it was kind of strange. I'm pretty sure I did those. So yeah, if I copy the move here and paste it here, I bet probably what I didn't do was reinforce that it has to reserialize it like that. Looking good. Well, thank you. Killed by a Pixel. I like that name. Thank you very much. So the, let's see, the Power Max one is also screwed. Okay. Okay, so had a little bit of a complete and utter computer crash, so that's great. Brought to you by our old friend, Fruity Whoops, which I thought stopped misbehaving, but apparently that's not the case. So it took down the audio, and I opened the window, and then it just took the whole PC. I'm like, oh, that's great. All right, we'll just clip all that together in post. Oh, the shoot.
Fuck it, we'll do it live.
Yeah, fuck it, we'll do it live. Hold on, I gotta fix the music banner there. It's all screwed up. Where is it? There we go. Okay, I think we're all set. There, that's more accurate. Oh, and it killed my pixel art program here. When the computer went out, the capture card went out and freaked the monitors out, and it just crashed. So let's see. Behave, Fruity Loops. I know, really. I really just want to afford Adobe Audition again. I had no problems with that one. Alright, so there's the lightning we're gonna work on in a minute, but we're gonna hopefully fix Ken up without it going nuts. Okay, those are all set. Man, I don't even remember what the hell which one we were doing. Okay, that I remember. So that one should be alright. Okay, and then we were working on the EX version now, which is hard to do because the input tolerance is not on right now. There. So the base one looks like it's there. Part combo version's there. That one's there. That one's there too. So maybe we did do all those. Yeah, screwed it up. Okay. Those are fixed. So what we going back to what we originally saw, the crouching light kick. So let's look at crouching light punch first to see what it's supposed to be. -10, 20, 32. And oh wait, that's standing shit. Crouching light punch. Alright, body space for this one. -10, 20, 23. Alright, that sounds better. And so we need -10. Say 20? 20, 23? Yep, okay. Survey says... yeah, it's fixed. Okay, cool. Alright. Oh, that's all set. Now, yeah, I guess I was just kind of going over that, and I just noticed that, like, oh, he's got a really stumpy hitbox there. Or, well, push box, body space, whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, anyway, so the idea is that all of Ken's stuff now is actually set. The Hadokens actually got retooled with the way their push boxes are. Kind of rethought how tall the boxes should be. And how they push the player when they're... damn it, stop, Ken. How they push the player when they're close and all that. So everything's been kind of rethought, all the supers, everything. It's either all the short ones. And again, the air attacks didn't really need much of a adjustment because they were just kind of good as is. They're fitting their purpose. If you notice that the push box is very small in the jump compared to standing. See how small it is. And that's consistent with, like, Third Strike, for example. And I think part of the reason is so they don't get to look like they're too hung up on each other if they collide in air. Kind of helps keep everything looking smooth and nice and all that. So there's a reason that they're done the way they're done. We'll put it that way. See, I fixed this one too, right? Yeah. Yeah, so Terry's next to get this treatment. But I'll work on that off stream because it's a bunch of copy-pasted math and all that kind of stuff. But just to give you a little taste of what goes on with that. So let's save that before I don't remember. And then what we were gonna do is finish up this pixel art here so that we can put it in the game, and then you can actually see it in the game and what it looks like. And all that stuff. So let's review the second one here because this is where we left off. I think we pretty much got it done, but there's, yeah, a little bit up here that needs to be smoothed out. This one looks a little more watery in the middle. Not sure I like that. Could do something to make it a little sharper. More pointed. Do something like that. Oh, it's up here. I was just saying, I don't even know where it is now that I zoomed out. That's good though, I guess. It's camouflaged. And you could take it even one step further and do that. No, that don't look right. You'd have to do something like this, but I don't know if... I don't know. Anyway. Oh yeah, so like here, this has not been fixed up. Let's just go again from the bottom. This has not been fixed up. Well, maybe. Might actually have been. It's kind of a wonky bit here. It really makes me think that this should be more like this. Yeah. So we'll scroll up a little bit. Okay, so this part here has not been smoothed over. And neither has this part. Let's say do something like that, then it kind of follows the same sort of path there. That looks alright. I actually kind of like the boxy look here. I don't know if that was left undone, but it kind of looks cool. Not too hot in this area here though. I'm not really sure much of what to do about it. I don't know. Let's see. I'm assuming that that's supposed to be extended up. Yeah, so here's the original reference. Hey, yeah, it does kind of look just chunky here. Interesting. Almost looks more like fire in some ways than lightning. I guess lightning is just really fast fire? I don't know. Sets things on fire. It's close enough. But yeah, that's supposed to go all the way up. So we've got to find out where the loop point is in the sprite. In fact, I might see it. From here to here, I think. Or maybe not. Actually, we can do it based on this, because we cut it off here. That's where that is. You see the dot here, the dot here, dot here, dot here, so that's where that is. So that must connect all the way down to something. Not must. I guess I shouldn't say that. Doesn't have to. Okay, you see the other pattern here, from here to here. So it's actually one more. It's actually from here to here is a pattern. So from here, yeah, it's down here. I see it. It's right here. So I'm going to... Oh man, that's kind of a wacky transition there. This is gonna kind of have to like pretend like it's coming back out. Left side is pretty shitty. Actually, I kind of like that little quiff there. Could be like that. Those Orochi Thunders are effects for Ryu? No. They're not. I don't think they're Orochi Thunders, though, unless they reused them for Orochi, but Geese uses them in Match of the Millennium. That's his Raging Storm. They're just super activation. See? Those little lightning shots. It's the big ones. I just stretched them for the level 3 move. The level 2 moves got smaller ones. But the level 3 moves got just a stretched version. Yeah, so it's kind of like Third Strike. Yeah, you got it. So I'm just making them bigger. This was the original size that was used in the level 2. And instead of just stretching them, I'm actually, touching them up after their enlargement. That sounded gross. That sounded terrible. I immediately regret saying that. Don't clip that, please, for the love of God. I'm kidding. Yeah, touch it more. I do gotta touch it up a little more. It's not ready yet. Okay, I'll give him a little orb here. It's gonna say something else, but considering what we just got done discussing, I don't know about this here, if that's all right. I mean, I guess it's okay. I just kind of rounded the bottom out, and this one I'm really not sure what I want to do with. The fact that it's been enlarged now kind of makes me think that it should be more like this. I mean, it was only like this because they only had 2 pixels to work with. But now? I don't know, just as a first pass. I want to do something else with these things here. Like, it's not terrible as is, but it could be better. Just got the feeling that something else could be better here. So yeah, this is still thinner than the other one though. It goes in by 2 pixels. So size-wise, this should be alright. And like, it's not terrible. But what I'm wondering is, should it be either like taken down a little bit? Or given like some kind of breakup pattern here? You know what I mean? And then like this could be kind of like that. You know what I mean? Something different here because it just looks really bad on its own, I think. This is something like almost like it's fizzling out or something, you know? Could maybe break the line there, but I don't know. Maybe not. It's just what I'm feeling, man. Just what I'm feeling. Like something gotta change, you know? This one's super easy. Just play with it a little bit. Yeah. Fuck it, whatever. Yeah, right there. There we go. There. It's just kind of dotted around a little bit. We'll see how it looks. If it looks like crap, then we'll change it. Okay, so. We just have to arbitrarily extend this now. Oh, look, extended. All done! No. Gotta fiddle with it a little bit. Something like that, and then we'll just chop it off at the top like the other one. It's good enough. Most of that stuff you're not gonna see anyway. This is really because it needs to be taking up the whole length of the screen if you're all the way to the right and vice versa. That's why it's so long. So the up and down portion, you'll never see that much, but it's the same sprite rotated, so that's what it is. Alright, so the spots that we mangled are here and here. So let's start with this one. And again, just very simple. Boom. I mean, that's really all it needs right now. And then the other spot here. Oh, look. Boom. Done. Okay. That was the easy part. And this one's super easy. We don't have to do anything here. Just extend her on up. Is that about right? Yeah, a little high. That's alright. We'll cut it off. Okay, and one more pass here to make sure that everything looks right. Looks alright? Yeah. So, apparently the pattern is this. I don't know how well this is going to look, but we'll take a look. Oh, that actually melds in better than I thought. So, what I'm going to do is just do a quick little fix up here. I'm thinking, actually, that. That's not bad. And so we'll align it by slightly easier thing to notice. Wow, it still needs just a little bit. That's funny. Okay. One more. Boom. Okay. And that might be it. So this is Super Lightning Large. We're just going to save that. Alright, we got to examine exactly what we did with the other one. I'll stop that there for a second. Super activation. Full power. That's activation spark. Where is the lightning? Hey, hey! Uncle Roy's back. Thank you. A lot of work. Oh, this is the light stuff. This is the relaxation time. This is not even the hard stuff. Oh, here's Super Lightning. Okay, so here V2, V1. Not really sure which one. Let's hold in. Yeah, it is V2. Okay. So I'm going to crop it. Get rid of some of the excess space. We won't really need all of it. You want to leave a little bit of space on the edge, just because the way that 3D rendering works gets a little weird with pixel art. It's not an exact science, so it can sometimes cut things off if you put it right up to the edge. Okay. So Super Lightning Large. I'm gonna go all the way back here. Just put it in, and it'll pop up over here. Where is it? Here. What's H? Oh, that's the old one. I don't need that one anymore. You can just delete it. Okay. Do 10 pixels per unit. Just sizes it in the size that we want to render it. Do not need a physics shape. Do not want any filtering. Just clean pixel art. No compression. Alright, so now I need to look at this one here and see. Okay, they're just aligned at the bottom completely. Well, that makes it easy. We need the same alignment because we're basically going to just replace what was there. So we're going to say pixels and bottom center. Don't know if it will be aligned exactly as we want it. It was. Okay. That's more of a coincidence than anything, to be honest. Did not really think about that while drawing it. Okay, bottom center. Same thing, just want to make sure that it's aligned properly. This one's easy. Now theoretically this is kind of a wasteful way to do these sprites, but that one looks really in the center. Yeah. Damn it. Oh no, maybe not. Is that an odd width? It's 3, yeah, it's 3 wide. Funny. Yeah, I want it on the right side then, if that's the case. Okay. You could make a smaller version of this and just loop the texture. But today I'm particularly lazy, so I'm not doing that. Also, it takes a little more processing power to divide it up like that, but it depends on how big it is. Like, we don't have to worry so much about the amount of memory Because these are very small compared to what you would find in a contemporary game. They don't take much file space at all, and so they don't load that much into the memory of the computer. So I'm not worried about that. So wasteful. Yeah, I know. Okay, so Mac Super Lightning is... This is the big one. Where it comes in like that. Boom, boom. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, these are the ones that are scaled. So if we take the preview off, yeah, they're just scaled in the object themselves. Okay. So here's the deal. We've got to go from Super Lightning V2 to Super Lightning Large. Yeah, there we go. We only did one, so now you see the high res and the low res next to each other. So the right sprite has to change as well. Oh. Oh, that one. Okay, hold on. That one's still extra big. Yeah, turn it back down here. Boom. Okay. And now this is the second stage. Here. Boom. And this is the third stage. We'll do both sides on that. Just a big ol'... Oh, that's funny, they're slightly off from each other. I wonder if that'll look good or not. You can manually adjust it if we really need to. It's not a big deal. Might actually look cool though if they're not synchronized. And then they're out, and then the big one from the top comes in. Right? Wait, hold on. Where is... Oh, you know what? I was off center. Okay. Boom. And he's right here. Alright, this is another one where this is enlarged, so we have to undo that since we've drawn it bigger. I don't need to tell the computer to make it bigger. And again, same deal. Except this one's a little easier. So there's not two of them to manage. Boom, boom. Oh, now it just goes to none. Okay. So, all put together, looks like this. Alright, that looks pretty cool, actually. Not gonna lie. That does look kinda cool. They're a little... I don't know about the alignment. I guess they're alright. We'll find out. So that's just the blue one. The red one we'll have to do separate. It's not a palette swap. It's actually a different texture. But... Okay, yeah. Oh man, that looks way better. Alright, let me get rid of the hitboxes. They're kind of just in the way. Oh, I fell out. That's funny. Oh, I screwed it up. Yeah. The one thing I want to add that I haven't been able to yet, of course you see that the red ones are still the old stretch sprites. They look terrible. You can really see the difference. don't see the... Oh, shit. Get out of here. Don't see... Yeah, that one never... I was gonna say, that one never turns into the final version. I thought it looked a little strange. I'm like, that frame looked like it lingered too long. I thought maybe the frames per second was a little low and I just didn't catch it, but no, it's not. It's not there. It's supposed to be. Let me move this tick up then, perhaps. Oh, you know what? Maybe because it's only one frame, it didn't catch it in time? I don't know. I don't know why that did that. What's with the rotation here? Why is it just dots? I'm just trying. Hold on. Controller's getting in my way. Just wondering if maybe it was skipping it for some reason. Oh well, I'll just move it one frame ahead and see what happens. Oh, hold on. It might not have saved. Okay, that's better. Oh, that's much better. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. It really does look cool. Yeah, it really looks broken apart now. Yeah, I like it. So what I was saying is, when Third Strike does their lightning flashes, when the lightning actually comes in, it actually flashes the character too. But I don't have the code set up to do that gracefully right now. So I kind of left that detail off for the moment. But I definitely want to do it. I think it would look really cool. Yeah. Pikachu approves. Ah, screwed it up. Oh, too low. Nope. Not quick enough. There we go. Yeah. That's good shit right there. Okay, so we need the red one, obviously. And it's just a recolor. There's nothing fancy about it. It's just a red version of the lightning. In fact, I don't even know if it's even in this folder. I probably just did it on the fly. Okay, so... just gonna... lightning orange red. This is also horribly... well, I wouldn't say this one's not necessarily horribly inefficient, because the processing time to cause a palette change, at least in Unity. Now, back in the day, you only had palettes, and the system just kind of worked that way. But they've removed that functionality. They just outright took it away, because like, oh, no one's gonna need this ever again. Yeah, except I'm recoloring the wrong image here. Except, no, we do actually still need that. It would be really nice to have for retro stuff. So, you basically have to make your own palette system, which is 100 times less efficient than it would be if it was done otherwise. So, unfortunately, actually using the palette is more processor intensive and GPU intensive than not using one. Sad fact of life. So, same thing we did here, same settings, no filters, No compression, because if you use compression on pixel art, it ruins it. It makes it look nasty. Okay, bottom center. We'll readjust these all at once at the end. Bottom center. Bottom center. And we want pixels. That's so when we move it, the point around the alignment point here, that it stays on the pixel and not in the middle of one. What we said, shit, what did we say, left or right? I think we said left, yeah. That's fine. I believe that one was right. Yeah, it was right on the point. Uh-oh. I had to close the whole Unity. Yeah, it went out. Okay, hold on. Hold on a second. I got super secret garbage on my menu. My Unity menu, so I have to hide it. We're back. Gonna take a little bit to load. Oh, wow, and it brought back up the thing too. That's cool. Well, at least I didn't lose that. Alright. And so the Power Max version is the same animation, just with the other stuff. Although we have to move that out. Like we did to the last one. Alright, and then all three of these, 1 and 1. Okay. And again, same process. Switch it to the large. Let's see, left and right. Next step. Right and left. Next step. Left. Right. Last step. On the right, now the left. Then it's actually a gap here. Why is that? It's actually different timing than the other one. It ends after 39 ticks. Hold on now. What was the other one like? Ends after 35. Okay, timing on this one's different. Probably better, to be honest, just looking at it. Well, I don't know. That's debatable, actually. What do you think's the better timing? So what this one would have done is... this one would have done something like this instead. I really don't know. Can we cut the difference? Kind of like that timing. Alright, well, for the heck of it, we'll copy that. I mean, we can always adjust it if need be. So we'll just delete all those points and then do it this way. So we'll just have to redo the sprite placement. Or not the placement, but the frames here. But no biggie. Quite easy. And the other one. Okay. And... oh, wrong one. This one. Boom. 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 That needs to go out one. Yeah. Actually means this one should go out one. Save that. Alright, let's see how it looks. Okay, that's the normal. Yeah. Wait a minute. That's the level 2 one that got changed. Shit. Who's fucking around with a car out there? Did you guys hear that? That's why the timing was different. It was the level 2 version. Crap. I did the wrong one. I think. I thought I was only dealing with these ones. Oh shit, that's thin. Wait, thin and thin max? What the hell's thin max? Did I accidentally... maybe I accidentally changed the... what animation I was editing. Thin? What the hell does thin mean? Thin Max. Yeah, Max got thin after getting sick. That's when Max got real thin. That dude went through hell. Did you see his Twitter video? Like when he was in the tail end of that shit? Dude, look, he had one fucking foot in the grave. Like that shit must have been rough. I would not want to go through that. That is some bullshit. Oh, that's the Power Max version. Is this the same object? Or the same... no. It's not the same animation file. Super Lightning. Power Max. Oh shit, it's big. What the hell is going on? Which one is which here? Yeah, well, he said he couldn't remember a couple of the days he had the fever. Like that's bad. But here's the normal one. Apparently. Okay, that's the thin and the thin max. Yeah, okay. Shit, I did the wrong ones. I think? That doesn't make any sense. Why is this one like that? Oh, you know what I did? I reused the same animation file, I just changed the scale of the object. That's why they both hooked into the same one. Crap. Okay. Well... oh man, what a pain. Okay. That's why it says thin and thin max. Okay. Oh, come on. Give me a break here. Oh, there's a Super Lightning Max. What's that? Now I'm just like wicked confused. Okay, I'm gonna copy this and make a And this is large max. And hopefully Max doesn't get large. He's got to be doing something. With the amount of time that he streams and works on stuff, dude looks like he's in good health. I don't know what he's doing, but he looks good. Must be doing some kind of exercises or something. Okay, so the thin Max, we're gonna go back. I have to undo my mistake here. What a pain. Yeah, I was gonna say, doing what he loves, that definitely helps. Don't get me wrong, that definitely helps. But when I'm doing what I love, my cholesterol is going through the goddamn roof. I gotta do more than I do. I've been getting better at it. I've been doing better. Much better since I've taken that break. Oh, that don't look right. Yeah, I think I read two. Okay, yeah, this one's gotta change to large. But no, I'm sorry. The other one's gotta change. We're going from large to small. Yeah, that looks right. Okay, now here we are. Where it goes from there to here. And from here to here. So he's been sleeping a lot more lately. Been catching a lot of his late night streams. Oh, you've been catching a lot of his late night streams. Got it. That's good. Yeah, and a lot of people really undervalue how much sleep really matters. Like, if you talk to like bodybuilders and shit, they'd be like, yeah, if you don't get sleep, a proper amount of sleep, like it kills your gains. Like, the body just can't rebuild. It needs that time. Needs time to just maintenance. You gotta let it do its thing, man. That's something that I know I don't do enough is sleep. I've been getting better at it, but I know it's a weak point for me. Okay. Let's save this. Make sure I actually did this right. Oh, not that. Okay, yeah. That looks small, normal. And that one also looks small, normal. Okay, that's right, because... Right. The normal... Super Lightning Power Max, so this is the normal one. And so the Super Lightning... Max Super Lightning Power Max. I should call it. I'm gonna change that. I've been trying to call it full power instead of max power, because there's max mode and it gets kind of confusing. So this is Super Lightning full power. You'll notice in the move list in the game, I've been calling the level 3 moves full power moves, if they have a level 2 equivalent. So that, yeah, Super Lightning full power, Super Lightning Power Max. Oh yeah, I guess it's alphabetical. I'm like, why is it all the way down there? And that's fine, that makes sense. Full power, Power Max, so that's the big red one. This is the one that's gonna have to start using the other animation. Probably what I'll do Yeah, so let's see, this is Super Lightning full power. Oh wait, shit. That was the actual animation file, I think. Or is that? No, it's this one. This is animation. Yeah, that's animation file. These are the animation controllers. So Super Lightning full power. We're just gonna make a few here. Shoot, where is it? I've got so much crap. Oh, it's down here. Animation controller. Super Lightning full power P-Max. Let's name it like that. It's it'll at least fit on the screen. Okay, yeah, these are the different object pools. So full power P-Max, normal. So one more. Super Lightning P-Max. Okay. So this is full power P-Max. Super Lightning full power P-Max. And what we need to do here is find the animation file. It's thin. We need large max. I think I can just... Can I? No. That didn't work. Can I do it to here? Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. And there it is. With the... Yeah, it's with the big one. And that's one. Okay. Alright, we're getting somewhere here. So Super Lightning has Super Lightning. Super Lightning full power has Super Lightning full power. But it's not right here. So we have to go into here. We don't want the thin, we want this. We'll get rid of that. We don't want the thin one. Just want the big one. But that's not the correct thing here. Right, Super Lightning, large, max. This is Super Lightning, full power. You want the blue version. Not Super Saiyan Blue. Full power Super Lightning Power Max. Yeah, I know. It's a little convoluted. This is supposed to be full power. That means large blue one. Thin max. So that's small red and small blue. Large max, large red. We don't. Oh, okay. That's why we don't have an animation for it anymore. Okay, hold on. Oh, that's a small version anyway. Yeah, that's a small version. Well, that's fine too. Sorry. Large max, thin max, thin, and there's just normal. Just full power. Oh no, it should just be large. By this naming scheme. It should just be large. Not large max, just large. Oh man, this is killing me. Yeah, right, and we have to redo it because I screwed it up. We'll go back and do the other one, red one, later. This is one of my favorite Final Fight themes, by the way. Don't know why, it just is. It kind of actually looks kind of cool with the blue and the red. It's kind of like a Gill theme going on. It's actually really neat. Oh well, doesn't work though. Not for every character. That one. Beam fight. Yeah, it does kind of look like a beam struggle, doesn't it? Okay. Alright. Now if we can get these onto the right objects here. So this one's large max. This one just needs to be large, not large max. Okay. Super lightning normal needs to be thin, but not thin max. Make sure that it's right. Oh god, this one's screwed up too. Oh my god. Oh my god. If you watch JoJo, which you all should. Fighting games and JoJo go hand in hand. Really sad that they discontinued the distribution of the JoJo, the Capcom JoJo game, not the new one. They don't sell it anymore. It was on the PS3 for a while, but it's one of those things, well, it's a licensed game and it eventually disappears. So, oh man, my arm's killing me now. Too much clicking. If this screws up my other animation file, I'm gonna fucking scream. It's just gonna flip the hell out. Get to see a live flip out. How about that? Isn't that exciting? Not that I don't do it on a daily basis. Alright. Hey, alright. Normal Super Lightning's got the normal small one. Full Power Super Lightning's got the big one. Full Power PMax should have the big red one. And it looks like it does. And only one thing up there. Yeah, that's right. I gotta make sure that's how it's going. Okay, only one. And only one. Okay, and now Super Lightning Power Max should be the small. Not even. Do we have a small one? A thin red. Thin, large max, thin max, yeah. Don't know if it's the right one or not, but we'll find out. No, so hold on. Maybe it's still confused about what I did. Super Lightning Power Max, thin max. Yeah, okay, it was just confused. Yeah, it looks right. Alright. Let's verify in-game. Take care of those hands. I know. It's been a long day, though. go to a different stage here. I should use Ryu for this. Been doing a lot with Ken today. Let's do some Ryu. For the Neo Geo world. Okay, that looked right. That is not right at all. What the fuck? What? Alright, at least that one was alright. And that one's alright. Yeah, okay. That one's just wrong. Yeah, no, I know. Yeah, so it's this one. That's right, but it's using a level 3 outside of Power Max, which is wrong. Yeah, and it's wrong in Armor Max too. Okay. Okay, but that narrows it down. Now we know what's going on. So, wait, did I try Shinsho out of Power Max, just to be sure? Yeah, okay, so it's using the same effect. It's just the wrong one. So, full power, Power Max, full power, Power Max. Uses Super Lightning Full Power P Max. And Super Lightning Full Power P Max uses Super Lightning Large. Why the hell is that wrong then? Alright. If that's the case, it might be using the wrong one. Super activation, screen flash. Where is Super Lightning? I thought it was attached here. It might not be there. It might be in the effects file. I've got so much code everywhere. Sometimes it's hard to remember what's in it. Where's that file? No pause. Common? There's a whole bunch of stuff here. Common FX data. Okay. Full power. Super activation. Super lightning. Max Super Lightning Power Max. Again. The names. Okay. Full power, Power Max, full power, Power Max, full power, Power Max. Or just Power Max, Power Max. Super activation. Oh, it's just got this. That's a glitch that showed two labels. This is normal. Power Max. Full power, Power Max. And full power. So the one that was wrong was full power lightning. Super lightning full power. Yeah, oh, it is wrong. Yep, it is wrong. That is wrong. Super lightning full power. Alright, that means we need lightning large max. I think that's it. Let's make sure. So that was super lightning full power. That's not right. We we want normal lightning large, that's right. Lightning large. Yeah, okay. Okay, now... we're gonna save that, just in case. Okay, now let's try it. Normal one's good. Oh, there we go. That looks cool too. Get him. Yeah, that shit looks good. Okay. Make sure we didn't... Really? Why is this one screwed up now? Oh my god. And there's that one. Wonder if it's accidentally calling the wrong object. Really wonder if it's calling the wrong object. Oh man, what caused this? What caused the super lightning? I don't even know. So, super lightning affects power max. Super lightning power max. Full power. Full power. Full power power max. Full power P max. And the normal is super lightning. Okay, something's calling the wrong file here. That's what's going on. I think. No, they're all different ones though, are they? We changed... Yeah, I think one of these is just not getting called. So Super Lightning Power Max is the one that we want to be called. No, and it has blue! Oh, it's the wrong one. Needs to be this one. Okay. Which doesn't have... It doesn't have an animation. Okay. Alright, so it makes sense now. I see where we went off the rails here. So, Lightning Thin Max is the one we want. Yes. Okay. Again. Maybe it's right now. Save. Save. Oh. It's been one of those days, man. Been one of those days. Okay, that looks a little better. That looks good. That's it. Alright, we got it. Nope. Nope, screwed it up. Yeah. Shit's looking good. Oh. Ugh. That one's hard. That one's hard. Nah. Yeah, like that, baby. Give it to him. No, not close enough. There we go. Boom! Yeah, good question. How does it look on Ken? Oh, screwed that up. Oh, hold on. We'll just do it raw. It's fine. Boom! Oh, that's not gonna hit. That's gonna hit. Yeah, this shit looks good. A lot better than that stretch shit. Yeah, baby. I like it. I like it. And just for fairness. Ken approves. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Gazer! Oh, I know how. Boom! Here's the big one. That didn't work out. Yeah. That's the shit that rocks. Yo! Wonder. Nah. Too late. Oh, fuck that up. Oh, I didn't charge. There we go. Boom! Yeah, I think that looks good. Terry's super's just like super cool. No, not gonna work. Let's see. Terry can do that. Trying to think of like setups for normal Buster Wolf. Or not setups, but like combos for normal Buster Wolf. I guess you could do that. Alright, hold on. Oh. That's what I wanted to do. There we go. Oh, shit, that didn't come out. Boom, boom, boom. Appropriate music for this kind of stage. That one's harder to do. Yeah, Ultra. Oh, and that's time. Well, that's good, and we got it done just in time too. Sweet. All right. So we'll all be back on the 13th. Man, it's already April. This year is going, well, this year is going something weird already, but what I meant to say is, this year seems to be going by at a rapid pace, at least for me. Maybe I'm just getting frustrated with having been sick for a while. But yeah, so we'll be back on the 13th for more Pocket Fighter EX development. And we'll do a gameplay stream on Sunday, before that, the 12th. If we can get back to where we were in Resident Evil Gaiden. We'll finish that. If not, we're doing Star Tropics. Yeah, there's plenty of 2020 left. Like, it sucks right now, but 2020's not over. Give it a little time. Give it a little time. Maybe we'll get a big turnaround. Nobody will see it coming. It'll be a nice surprise. Wishful thinking, I guess. But yeah, so we'll do that Monday. 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, as usual. So I'm going to read off our super generous patrons. Everybody gets a shout out, because y'all stuck with me through thick and thin here. So we got Zombie Killer, we've got Miguel Tabasco, we got AJ, Anthony Moniz, probably saying that wrong, I apologize. Bryce Nagalinum, Corporal Chungus, D-Money107, LD Walker, Mike Cruz, Roy Diamond, that's Uncle Roy. And if I learned anything from the last stream, Amber says that this one is Rui Luis. Hopefully that's correct. He's one of the new guys. And Taryn Williams. So thank you very much. We've got, you can follow me on Twitter at MarkDWiz. And there's Discord, which Scrubbot's alive. There, Scrubbot's alive. It survived the crash. Scrubbot's got the link for you in chat, or it's down below if you're watching this later on YouTube or LBRY. We're now on LBRY, so it's what is it? LBRY, LBRY.tv, is it? I keep messing up the thing here. Let's see. Let's go to my channel. It doesn't say. Oh yeah. No, that's no, it doesn't say. Go search GameDevScrubs on LBRY, you'll find it. So, anyway, I'll see you guys on Sunday and Monday, and that's pretty much it. I have to get some sleep, like Max has been getting more sleep, so see you guys later, and scrub out.